Planning to remodel your kitchen and confused about countertop edges? It's crucial to balance style with practicality when choosing the perfect edge. With a gamut of options available, we've shortlisted 6 popular ones for you to consider. Let's dive right into these 6 top countertop edge options. First up, we have the Bullnose edge countertops. Imagine a full curve profile that's ideally suited for materials like marble and granite. It's not just about looks, though. The gentle curve of bullnose edges makes them a child-friendly choice. Bullnose edges offer a smooth, rounded look that's perfect for families. Next, let's talk about the half-bullnose, beveled, and eased edge countertops. The half-bullnose is a great choice if you're looking for a design that directs spills away from cabinetry thanks to its straightened bottom half. Beveled edge countertops, on the other hand, are known for their distinctive slopes, adding a touch of modernity to your kitchen. Lastly, the eased edge countertops offer a subtle rounding, perfect for those who want a softer edge that's less drastic than bullnose. These options provide a variety of looks, from sleek and modern to subtle and soft. Last but not least, we have the Ogee and custom edge countertops. Ogee edges are like the royalty of countertop edges. Their soft S-shape evokes a sense of opulence and grandeur. However, keep in mind that they're often a bit more expensive. On the other hand, custom edges throw the rule book out the window, offering endless possibilities for unique designs tailored to your personal taste. For those seeking a touch of luxury or a unique design, these options are worth considering. So, there you have it. 6 fantastic countertop edge options to consider for your kitchen remodel. From the full curve profile of the bullnose, the practicality of the half-bullnose, the classic appeal of beveled, the subtlety of eased, the vintage charm of Ogee, to the unique possibilities of custom edges, each offers a unique blend of style and functionality. Remember, the right edge can make a significant difference in both the style and functionality of your kitchen. Choose wisely.